something exciting came here today. DisplayPort. UltraWide gaming monitor. So I'm today unboxing UltraWide gaming monitor here, and I will be doing my initial setup, plus I think a before and after picture of my actual gaming setup to after I install this. So let's get to it. It's just, isn't that the most brilliant sound ever? Just. So after playing around with this computer monitor for a couple of days, it is actually really great. I use it a lot to try to separate my work. So like I'll be playing YouTube while I'm working on the other side. I can do classes at the same time. I'm looking up research papers. The wide monitor really does help in coming with, you can do multiple things at once. It's also a very nice looking one. It's LG. I got it on Black Friday for about $250, I believe, which is pretty good. It can go up to 75 Hertz, and it also is extendable, can go up and down. I think about 6 inches is what they were saying, advertising. And you can also, you know, use your YouTube videos on it. I always play everything at 4K, and it just looks amazing. Shout out to MKBHD there. His videos are just awesome. I do some editing on here. Right now I'm trying to learn how to do video editing, so it should come along. It's, like I said, nice for the side-by-sides. And it's just a huge computer monitor. It's almost like 2-in-1 without the whole dividing middle bezels, which is really nice when you're doing stuff. And if you have a good enough computer to use it, it's great. I would say it's probably the best buy I've done for my computer in a long time, and if you guys are looking into getting a bigger screen for like stuff, movies, editing, any kind of stuff on a computer, like multitasking wise, I would recommend you guys get an UltraWide. It is just amazing. And yeah, I also want to apologize if my voice is a little raspy. I'm a little sick right now, but hopefully you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks. Bye.